In this video, I'm going to be trading strictly price action on the pocket option platform here. No indicators. I'm going to be trading OTC, so I have all my currency assets, OTC assets at the top of the chart here. I've set my candles to 15 seconds, Japanese candles. And for my trade time, I've set it to 1 minute. Okay, there we go, 15-second Japanese candles. And for my trade timer, M1 or 1 minute. So I'm going to be taking 1 minute trades while looking at these 15-second candles. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be trading off support and resistance levels, looking for price reversals at strong areas of support and resistance. So I'm going to pause the video and wait for a trade setup, come back and analyze the trade. Okay, so I just took a sell trade or a short here, a 1 minute short. And the reason why I took the short at this level is because I noticed a strong area of resistance at this level here. If you see here, it is a strong resistance to going past this level on the price. So I decided to take a short because I don't think the price can push any further up at this time. So over the next 60 seconds, let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right, so I'm gonna pause the video and look for our next setup. Okay, so I just took a short at this level here. Uh, I didn't think this candle would break past this area of resistance here. So let's monitor this trade. In fact, let me take another short. Let me take two more shorts here. Okay, so I took a couple of more shorts just based off of price action. Okay, so one of the trades, that first trade came in the money. So I have three more outstanding trades here. Uh, Looks like we're going to win these trades. Nice reversal here. Got one more trade. Okay, so all those trades were in the money. Let's move on to the next trading setup. Okay, so I just took a short on this currency pair here, USD VND. I noticed several times the price tried to push up, so there was a building level of resistance here that I don't think this price would push past. So I'm expecting a reversal here. So this is why I took a short at this level. I waited for the price to hit right at the top of this level of resistance here. So let's monitor this trade. We have 60 seconds for this trade. Okay, so the price, okay, so let me check. That was weird. Let's check to see. I think that trade, oh, that trade was a winner. This USD VND trade. So we're on a little short winning streak here. Okay. All right. So I'm going to pause the video and look for our next price action setup. Okay. So I just took a long or a call trade here at this level. Uh, I noticed several candle wicks here suggesting there's a strong level of support here and that the price wouldn't push further down. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry here. Just all these candles here seem to respect this level here. So let's wait for the expiration. Okay, so we lost that trade. So I'm going to go ahead and take uh, three trades here at this level. I don't anticipate this price going further down here. I'm expecting it to reverse here. So let's monitor this trade. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look here. I think we had, okay, there was that loss, then one trade was in the money, two trades in the money. Okay, the last trade there broke even here, if you notice, right? Okay, so let's keep going. Okay, so I'm on the USD BRL OTC and I just took a short here at this level. The reason why I took a short is if you notice there's several levels of resistance here. There's a level of resistance right in this area here. If you notice the price had a hard time pushing above this level. So I waited for the price to hit as close to the top of this level of resistance before I took the short here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so that trade was in the money here. If you notice, this is the final trade here. I had a nice winning streak here. We had one loss, one tie, and the rest were winners here. So I just wanted to say if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Share the video with your friends and colleagues. This is the price action trading strategy I use to trade. You also wanted to note, don't risk no more than 5% of your capital, anywhere from 5 to 10% of your capital tops. You want to be able to grow your account slowly but surely. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Gus Schmidt.